Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys how I do the Peekaboo knotless plaits with curly ends. So I'll be using 3 packs of the 2-piece 48-inch expression hair, Yaki Hollywood 613, and of course Edge Booster, my fave gel. My parting is going to be small because I want a full head. I don't know if this is anyone else, but I'm the type that does other people's hair way better than mine. Alright, so the first extension, I usually make it a bit thick, not too big, but I make it like a little thick. And the second piece of extension, the add-on, is going to be smaller because when you add that in, it's not going to throw the sizing off. Now we add the gel to the roots. So I'm just gonna braid my natural hair regularly, and I'm going to braid it like 4 or 5 times in the same spot. As you're braiding your hair, pull your strands back so it could get a tight look, and also keep your index finger near the roots after you braid so it can stay tight. Now I'm gonna hold my index finger where it's at so it doesn't get loose, and I'm just gonna open it a little bit just to add the extension hair. And you just braid, really. The other extension piece is just gonna fall onto the next hair that was gonna get braided, and you just go with the flow. Like, I'd say probably not thinking about it too much and just braid. All right, y'all, so now I'm gonna add the hair. The one piece of the extension hair is going to be added to my natural hair that doesn't have any extension, and the other piece is just gonna go wherever, and then I'm just gonna braid. I'm gonna add a little bit of gel so my real hair can just be very smooth.
Just annoying me, and I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me if I ever.
I take a piece of strand and wrap it around the braid so my hair doesn't get loose, because we need a little bit of the hair out so we can curl it. I'm going to allow you guys to watch this part. I believe this should be a lot more helpful than the other one.
I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood.
So guys, I finished the rest off of camera. I just wanted to keep this video short, but this is the outcome. But we aren't finished yet, but I'm just giving you guys a glimpse of how my hair looks. Okay, so this is how I twist the hair so it can become curly.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides and focus.
Okay, y'all, so after you finish your last one, you go ahead and you dip your hair into hot water. Okay, so some started unraveling by itself, and some I unraveled. I'm trying to make a TikTok and a YouTube video literally at the same time, so I'm sorry if things seem so fast and sped up. But girl, these curls were literally giving, like they were giving curly fries, and I loved. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Please subscribe, please, and like. I hope this video helped you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Be who you wanna be. When I'm stunning till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world?